What's up, guys? Today I got a new camera, using it right now. Not sure if you can see a big difference. The GoPro Hero 11. Pretty nifty thing. I got the Creators Edition. Been waiting for this camera for a while. I got it. Gonna go for a little drive, go for a little grocery shopping. And yeah, let's check this new camera out. I like my glasses. Yeah, it was a Pride parade over the weekend. But yeah, let's go. Vamonos. So I'm just driving in Dunbar, taking this camera out, seeing the quality of the image. Hopefully it's good. Quiet day in the streets of Dunbar. Afternoon. So here I am. Going to Save On Foods. So, just finished the grocery shop. Going here to New District to get some beer and some wine. And then home to La Casa. So I got the Phillips box set. It has the Blue Buck, Cold Snap, Tiger Shark, and Explosion Pilsner. You got an ale, Kolsch, Pale Ale, and Pilsner, good mix. And a wine from Portugal. So yeah, gonna go home. Beer. Sun is setting behind me. Enjoying a beer from Phillips Brewing Company, based in Victoria. Hopefully the quality is good. Loving the camera. Stabilization is pretty good. Picks up all the nice colors.